You'll notice that the trenching just kind of cuts over to making a manifold. We had a camera die here, so we had to switch into a later video. Here's the fun part, making up the manifold that controls the water. What I did here was used a couple of gate valves and then allowed for a blowout for during the winter time to be able to hook up an air compressor and clear out the lines so we don't have any freezing.